WWE is all about. Oh, she deserves a good spanking. That'll leave a mark. Intercepted. Perfectly executed snap there, and now tying up the arms. Again, the Diva Championship on bag, and she wills her way out. Oh, what a kick to the head. Kitty with a nice reversal. These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat. Nobody home for that one. Oh, and Eve Torres comes up with a huge move. Watch it. Wow, what a move. Wherever else but in the WWE are you going to see something like that? Eve always does her homework. She likes to evolve her offense, and that tandem makes Eve a very difficult competitor. Oh, a face buster. That'll cause some damage. Big elbow. Wow, what a head scissor. Well, look at this, folks. Eve Torres. Oh, knocks out. Cover. And Kitty kicks out. You gotta love this match. It's got more curves than a racetrack. What a crushing face buster. When I look into Eve's gorgeous eyes, I'm convinced I've found my next one. Wait a minute. She's going for it again. What can Kitty do here, kid? Listen. Oh, my. What a move. Here's the pin. That was nowhere near a 3 count. This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. Oh, my gosh. Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Ow. Reversed by Kitty. I don't know how much more Kitty has left. What a kick. Oh, did she take a shot there? The quick kick. Neither individual is going to back down here. And what a hard knockdown. Big time impact. What a devastating maneuver. We might be seeing the beginning of the end. How about that? What a moonsault from Eve. Watch it. She's looking for it again. What a maneuver. Going to the cover. The 12 on the line. 3. Eve wins. We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check them out. an air boom from wherever he was. Ryan. Here we go, triple threat rules. First person to get a pinfall or submission wins. And we talked about this earlier, King, that in this type of match, you want to hold back and let your opponents do the work for you, then pick up the scraps, so to speak, with opportunity knocks. And there's some more emotion on display. And a jaw-jacking punch. Ouch! Whipped right into that wall. That's press, and now a flurry of punches. John Cena is a man on a mission, and that mission is to be the very best in the WWE. Oh, what a painful kick. I think I saw two fly out. Squeezing down on the head. Remember this, good Lord, huge impact into that barrier. And he dodges that one. Wow, Suplex and a nice one. CM Punk using those versatile feet. CM Punk's as much attitude as he is talent. And both of those are extreme. Big knee to the face. Oh, big DDT. That could be it. Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown. Oh, right into that ring post. Oh, and he tastes the steel. Man, that's going to give you a headache. Big elbow. Here goes leg connected. And there's a stiff clothesline. Oh, man. Look at him right on his neck from the German suplex. Oh, no. Man, you talk about crashing and burning. That was ugly. You can practically see the pain in his face right now. This is it. Here he goes. Oh, my. What a move. And he gets back in. Over the top rope. Oh, tremendous gamble. Amazing results. A short kick. The championship hangs on the balance. Will he tap out? Will he tap out with the Anaconda Knife? Not today, too fast. CM Punk, the so-called choice of a new generation. What diabolical things are going through that mind right now? When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. That could be what we're seeing here. Cena's in trouble. A picture-perfect backbreaker right there. Punk controlling the head. Championship on the line. There's got to be something special in John Cena. I don't know how he's still moving. Oh, clothesline. Cena. Man, DDT right on his face. Hurricanrana. And that would hurt his hand. What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification, anything goes match. Punk countered it. Back into the ring now. Cena just one heartbeat quicker on that exchange. Into the headlock. That suplex was picture perfect. And again, Punk moving the top rope. Oh my gosh. This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. That is the headlock. Ouch. And he collapses down to the floor. Dodges to the side of that one. What a tenaciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through. The intensity of this has been incredible. Scoop slam. Man, oh man, you want to talk about determination? You just have to look in the eyes of John Cena. Missed it. Carolina tossing his opponent now. Oh, big DDT. Oh, he's begging for it. Well, this guy has an arsenal at his disposal. CM Punk can come at you from anywhere and everywhere. I don't think so. CM Punk is one of the most exciting performers we've had in the WWE. This kid is a future Hall of Famer. Squeezing down on the head. An impressive suplex. DDT. Struggling for control. He reversed it. Punk controlling the head. Thank you once again for joining us in November's longest. Whoa, whoa! Oh, we got him! The sacrifice you must be willing to take to compete in the big leagues in the WWE is unreal. He scored his opponent rolled the dice. It didn't pay off for him. These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. Into the headlock. What a rescue there. Straight kick right to the head. Nothing fancy about that. Trying to get the blood flowing to his brain. He's rolling. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. What's the monster going to do here? Watch out! He's going to take another chance. Whoa! Wow. Talk about preparing to the cover with the title on the line. Things aren't looking good for the monster. Boy, did he get dropped or what? And John Cena finds himself in a fight. A bigger fight than he may have even expected. Well, I don't know about that. Cena's no here's the pin. Title on the line. Oh, man, what a kick to the face. DDT. A swift kick. We know what this is. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. This is his chance. Crouching bulldog. Oh, what a smack. And that was a big shot that just dropped Cena. Uh-oh. Ouch. That's gotta hurt. And he snaps on the Ricolata. Punk displaying some of that tremendous ego. There he goes again. What a collision. Got the arm up. Oh, what a whip. Battling every fiber of his being. And he gets back in the ring. Putting with the cover. Got the title on the line. What a hurricane on him. A good reversal by Punk. Wow, what a sequence. Punk has the headlock. Squeezing down on the head. Punk got rocked. Punk controlling the head. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Got right on that chair. And he gets tossed back in the ring. Oh, what a kick to the head. What a fierce kick. Oh, Punk. Got his slam. Punk's gonna win. He's bleeding all over the place. This one's getting ugly. Oh, back into the steel post. Got out of the way of that one. Oh, man, you take a shot like that, driven face first into the post. And now we're moving into the ring again. Oh, don't get up. What's he doing? What's he doing with those steps? Oh, no. Punk's looking for another GTS. And there's another devastating knee to the skull by CM Punk. Oh, man. What impact from that suplex. Here's the pin. Title on the line. Punk into the title. A huge, bone-jarring German suplex. He's going back outside. Oh, my gosh. Punk is just a mess now. In the ropes, and that may have been the only escape. Oh, man, what on a button. And Cena goes down. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. 3. Retains his championship. And here's some highlights from the matchup. Here's your winner, CM Punk. He gets a big victory here tonight. Love it or hate it, that was an